William, are you going to do the puzzle for me? Show me where the horsey goes. That's right. Good job. That's where the horsey goes. Here, I'll fix him for you. Ready? There. Where does the chicken go? That's right. That's where the chicken goes. Good job. Show me where the barn goes. Oh, the duck. The duck? Where's the duck go? The duck? Where's the duck go? That's right. And the cow? Right. Very good. Clap for William. Clap. Yay. William, can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi.
Hi, Daddy. That's right. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Can you blow kisses? Very good. Very